Kasi may portions talaga ng Alviera na highlighted yung views ng mountains. Kaya nga pag nagpunta ka sa Alviera, parang wala ka sa Pilipinas,
Ay,
di ba?
wow! So after the scale model, not just the scale model, no, we would love to share them yung sa actual development, especially nandito tayo ngayon sa Alviera Country Club, di ba? Yung mga papasyal lang namin kayo, di ba? With the Ayala project, no?
Yes.
So let's go. Ayan, so as you can see, ayan, may swimming pool na tayo dito, no?
Yes.
And then, with this country club, meron din siyang restaurant.
Yes.
And also, gym. Meron din siyang
Meron ding gym.
doon. And also,
Kids
not just for adults, we also have the kids play area. No? And then, ito, function room. And on the second floor, dito ginanap yung kay Gary V recently.
Very
Ayun.
family-oriented talaga tong si Alviera Country Club. Although, si Alviera Country Club is actually a separate share purchase. So, some common misconception kasi pag bumili daw sila ng lote in
Oo.
Alviera, kasama na sa Country Club. So, it's a separate purchase. But I think it's very much worth it because you get access to all of this family and leisure-oriented facilities. Like you mentioned, yung function rooms natin, yung concert area kung saan si Gary V nag-hold ng concert niya, and the kids play area, kiddie pool, adult pool, and in the future magkakaroon din ng accommodations, but that might be a little bit farther na into the timeline. But as of now, they can actually visit si Country Club. I believe nag-accept din sila ng guests for a fee basta may endorsement ng member. So if they wanna visit, or kung hindi pa sila ready bumili ng shares, contact ka nila para makavisit dito. Yes.
Tara, pasyal tayo.
Para maipasyal mo sila dito.
So, ayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa restaurants, no? Restaurant,
Yes.
no? Ayan. Anong Manyaman restaurant?
Manyaman restaurant.
So, since we're here in Pampanga, the Manyaman, if we will going to translate it in Tagalog, masarap. So, syempre, knowing Kapampangan, it's, they are very well known. We are very well known when it comes to sa cooking, because we're the culinary capital of the Philippines,
Yes,
diba?
I agree. Kaya I'm always looking forward when we have a visit here kasi sure na sure akong masarap yung pagkain.
Of course. Not just the, diba? But we also have, yun, sa mga pagkain natin na pwedeng i-offer.
Yeah, so when they visit Ala, no, they can make it part of their visit to try out the restaurants dito sa ating Alviera Country Club. Ayan. They can have coffee, relax, and as you can see,
Chill.
very relaxing
Kaya
yung
nga.
vibe talaga dito. With the
And
pool, the view.
one thing I love also, since sabi mo nga kanina, may parang terrain siya and all.
Yes.
So, you have the view of the mountains, the greenery, diba?
Mhm.
So, nung first time kong pumunta dito, parang sabi ko, wow, ang ganda naman dito na parang alam mo yun na very refreshing and relaxing yung vibe, no? Kaya feel free to comment and visit us here in Alviera, no, so that we could really share to you about what we are telling you dito sa vlog natin. Tara, let's go.
In fact, Alan, talking about the mountains, kung hindi pa sila naka-visit nung Versala natin na actual site, may mga portions doon na may view ng mountain.
Yes.
So kung gusto nila yung mga ganyan, try nilang i-visit yung site kasi may portions talaga ng Alviera na highlighted yung views ng mountains. Kaya nga pag nagpunta ka sa Alviera, parang wala ka sa Pilipinas,
Ay,
di ba?
wow.
Parang kang nasa ibang... Kasi, ako kasi taga Manila, so hindi ako sanay na maraming puno.
Oh.
Kaya nagugulat ako pag nagpupunta kami dito. Ang ganda ng views talaga. So, yan. Make sure to visit Alviera.
Yes, let's go. So parang kanina lang to parang it's familiar.
Yes.
So we have the member lounge here wherein we held our event, no? We talk about the updates and mga ongoing promotions.
Yes.
So also sa mga gusto din mag-held ng event dito, pwede rin. So, pero mga how much kaya yung rental? Are you...
I'm not sure if we're allowed to disclose. Best siguro to contact the country club, the Alviera Country Club mismo to ask for the rates.
Yes. So, pero again, this is one of the, kumbaga, area na pwedeng mag-held ng
Yes,
occasion or
ng
mga events. Right? And right beside the member lounge, we have the basketball court.
Yes.
Ayan. Covered siya.
Yes,
Covered
covered siya.
siya.
So kahit ganito kainit,
Oo nga.
pwedeng mag-hold ng tournaments or events or kahit a simple game. It's a full court, as you can see. Ayan.
This is the sports pavilion itself. No?
So like I mentioned earlier, maganda dito sa Alviera Country Club. Very much worth it yung investment niya. Not just in Alviera, but the country club itself because of all the facilities that they
Yes.
can use. Especially
Correct.
if they're very social, no?
Oo
Events, birthdays, concerts, sports events,
They could really
swimming.
utilize the
Yes.
the place, diba?
Mm.
Knowing their lifestyle, no? So, ayun, aside sa basketball court, pag napagod na kayo, again, kahit relaxing yung vibe dito, no? Meron din tayong inawas pa, di ba? So, they could also enjoy yung, yun, kung gusto mo magpaspa, mag-relax, no? Pahinga ka muna dito, di ba? So, open ba siya? Ayan, open naman
I think
siya.
kailangan magpa-reserve.
Kailangan. So,
Kailangan siya
kailangan nyo
But
magpa-reserve.
operational naman.
Yes. So, nabitin ba kayo with our Alviera preview virtual tour? Again, thank you so much, Miss Alvea Sikat, for having us dito sa tour natin. And if nabitin kayo, feel free to message us with this number and we're more than happy to help. So, see you on our next vlog. Bye for now!